In this short tutorial, I will guide you through the simple steps to change the default voice command from Hey Siri to just Siri on your iOS 17 device. Many users find it more convenient to activate Siri by simply saying Siri instead of the longer phrase. Luckily, Apple has made it easy for us to customize this feature. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, tap Siri and search. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Listen for. Go ahead and tap on it. And now all you have to do is tap and select the first option, Siri or Hey Siri. And now you can just say Siri to activate the voice assistant on your iPhone and use it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.